Have you ever wondered what the future of technology holds for us? There's no denying the breathtaking pace at which technology has evolved over the past few decades. From the humble beginnings of the internet to the advent of smartphones, we've witnessed a technological revolution that has reshaped our world. But where is this rapid development leading us? What's the next big thing on the horizon? Two terms have been making waves in the tech world: artificial intelligence and cloud computing. They're not just buzzwords or passing trends, they're shaping the future of technology, and by extension, our lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming our new brain, learning, adapting, and evolving. Cloud computing, on the other hand, is our digital cloud, storing and managing vast amounts of data with ease and efficiency. These two game changers are set to redefine our understanding of technology. Now let's delve into the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a concept from sci-fi movies anymore. It's a real, tangible technology that's already transforming the world as we know it. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Think of it as a new kind of brain, a digital brain that learns, adapts, and makes decisions. Imagine a computer that can recognize patterns, understand complex concepts, and even learn from its mistakes. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. AI is powering everything from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, to self-driving cars, to the recommendation algorithms that suggest what movie you should watch next on Netflix. The potential future uses of AI are even more exciting. In healthcare, AI could help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In finance, it could predict market trends with uncanny accuracy. And in transportation, it could revolutionize everything from traffic management to autonomous vehicles. But AI isn't just about making our lives easier. It also has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems. Think about climate change. AI could help us understand complex climate models, predict future trends, and come up with innovative solutions. Or consider global poverty. AI could help us identify the most effective ways to distribute resources and lift people out of poverty. But as with any powerful technology, AI also comes with challenges and risks. There are ethical considerations, like how to ensure AI is used responsibly and doesn't infringe on our privacy. There are technical challenges, like how to make AI systems that are transparent and understandable. And there are societal challenges, like how to prepare for a future where AI plays a bigger role in our lives and our work. As we can see, AI holds limitless possibilities. But it's not the only technology shaping our future. Let's talk about cloud computing. Excited about the future of AI and cloud computing? We can barely contain our enthusiasm either. If you're finding our deep dive into these transformative technologies intriguing, why not hit the subscribe button? By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release our next video, packed with more insightful content. And if you know someone who would love to learn about AI and cloud computing, don't hesitate to share this video with them. After all, the future is more exciting when we explore it together. Stay tuned, as we've got more exhilarating information to share on how AI and cloud computing are shaping our world. Now let's ascend into the digital cloud. Now that we've whetted your appetite for the future of technology, let's delve a little deeper. Have you ever wondered how AI and cloud computing intersect? It's a fascinating symbiosis that's truly transforming our world. Picture this: AI, with its potent capabilities to learn, reason, and self-correct, is like the brain of this new digital age. It's constantly evolving, learning from its environment, and making informed decisions. But even the most brilliant brain needs a body to execute its decisions, and that's where cloud computing comes in. Cloud computing provides the necessary infrastructure for AI to function and thrive. It offers vast amounts of data storage, high-speed processing power, and the scalability needed to handle the complex computations of AI. It's like the muscle that brings the brain's decisions to life. So, when AI needs to process large amounts of data quickly, cloud computing flexes its muscle and gets the job done. But the relationship is mutual. As cloud computing provides the resources for AI in turn enhances the capabilities of cloud computing. AI can optimize cloud processes, improve security measures, and even predict future resource needs, making the cloud more efficient and adaptive. It's a harmonious interplay that's driving innovation at an incredible pace. In this symbiotic relationship, AI and cloud computing are not just shaping the future of technology, but also the way we live, work, and interact with the world. From smart homes and autonomous vehicles to personalized online shopping and healthcare diagnostics, the fusion of AI and cloud computing is making our lives more connected, efficient, and exciting. So, the next time you use your smartphone, watch a movie online, or get a product recommendation from an online store, remember, you're experiencing the power of AI and cloud computing at work. Now let's continue our journey into the future of technology. When we talk about the cloud, we're not referring to those fluffy things in the sky. Instead, we're delving into a realm that's reshaping the tech landscape: cloud computing. But what exactly is it? In simplest terms, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet, or the cloud, as opposed to having local servers or personal devices handle applications. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First up, we have ease of access. With cloud computing, you can access your files, applications, and services anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's like having a personal digital butler that's ready to serve you 24/7. Next, we have cost-effectiveness. Remember the days when businesses had to invest a fortune in hardware, software, and server space? Well, with cloud computing, those days are long gone. You only pay for what you use, which can result in substantial savings. Then, there's scalability. With traditional computing, if you need more power or storage, you have to physically add it. But in the cloud, it's as easy as clicking a button. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing needs without the hassle of upgrading hardware. So, where is cloud computing currently being used? Everywhere, really. From storing your photos on iCloud to streaming your favorite Netflix shows to powering complex business applications, it's hard to find an area of life that hasn't been touched by the cloud. But it's not just about what's happening now, it's about the future. Cloud computing is paving the way for a more connected and efficient future. It's enabling advancements in areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning, and helping us manage and analyze vast amounts of data. To wrap it up, cloud computing is not just about storing files or running applications. It's about providing fast, flexible, and cost-effective IT resources. It's about connecting people, businesses, and technologies. It's about enabling innovation and driving progress. Clearly, cloud computing is more than just a buzzword. It's a key player in our tech-driven future. Now, imagine the power of artificial intelligence and cloud computing combined. This dynamic duo is set to revolutionize our digital world. Let's first consider the sheer computational power at play. With the cloud's massive storage capacity and AI's analytical prowess, we can process and interpret vast amounts of data in real time. This means quicker responses, smarter decisions, and more efficient systems. Then there's the matter of personalization. As AI learns and adapts to individual user behaviors, it can tailor experiences uniquely. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs before you even know them. The applications are endless, from healthcare to education, finance to entertainment. We're talking about predictive diagnoses, personalized learning, smarter investments, and immersive entertainment experiences. This isn't a distant dream. Companies are already harnessing the combined power of AI and cloud computing, driving innovation like never before. The fusion of AI and cloud computing is not just the future, it's happening now. So, what does this mean for us and our future? As we delve into the conclusion, let's revisit the highlights of our journey. We've seen how artificial intelligence, the new brain of technology, is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. It's learning, adapting, and growing just like us. We've also journeyed through the digital cloud of cloud computing, a realm where data is no longer confined to physical devices but floats freely, accessible from anywhere, anytime. Then we explored the powerful combination of AI and cloud computing, a duo that promises to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in technology. These technologies aren't just changing the way we live, they're reshaping our future. As they continue to evolve and intertwine, their impact on our world will only grow. It's essential, then, that we understand and embrace them. The future of technology is here, and it's exciting. Let's embrace it together. Enjoyed the journey through the future of technology? If you did, and you'd like to stay updated with more such insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if it sparked your curiosity, and share your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from you. Your engagement fuels our content, helping us bring you the best of the tech world. So let's continue exploring the future together. Remember, every like, comment, and subscription takes us one step further in our journey towards the future. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the horizon.